Hey Logan, it's Trish here coming to you live from the University of Hartford. I'm making this video for you today because we weren't able to meet up on Wednesday because of the rain. So I'm going to talk to you today about breathing and relaxation. So breathing and relaxation is really important because it's an easy way to make yourself feel better if you're stressed, nervous, scared, or just worried overall about something going on. So we're gonna start off getting into a nice comfortable position. You can sit, you can lay down, you can stand, and pretty much just a way to feel comfortable. All right, so now we're gonna do a quick practice. So we're gonna sit in our nice comfortable position. You can put your hands however you want them, and you can either keep your eyes open or keep them shut. And we're just gonna start paying attention to our breath now. All right, now we're gonna start taking some deeper breaths. So slowly as you can, start to breathe in until you can't breathe in anymore. And then breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And final exhale. So now if your eyes are closed, you can open them back up again. And hopefully by now you feel a little bit more calm, a little bit more relaxed. Obviously you could keep going for as long as you want. And this is just a way to make yourself feel calm. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, Logan, and I hope that you enjoyed breathing. So you can feel free to practice this whenever you want, and I'll see you not next week, but the week after that. Have a great time.